Okay, so you've built your first opt-in list. You have shared it with your business and all of your customers. Now, let's see how we actually send out our first blast. Log into your account, and we're here on the dashboard page. We'll go back over to campaigns, create a campaign, and of course, send a blast. So again, we'll have to give us a campaign name here for our blast, and we're going to call it Meatball Monday. And we'll include the message here that we want to send to our subscribers. Don't forget, it's Meatball Monday. Buy one, get one free on any meatball dish. Okay. We'll click next, and then now we're just going to choose who we want to send it to. So we created our first marketing list in the last video, so we will click on that one and click next. Also, a little hint here is it shows you the total number of people that are actually subscribed to that list, so you know how many people you're sending it to. So here's a preview of our message and what it's going to look like, and we can choose to send it now, or we can schedule it and send it later. If we do send it later, all we have to do is input a date and a time. And a good, helpful hint, best practice is if we do schedule it, we kind of want to stick to the hours of 9 a.m. and 10 p.m. just because people don't like to be woken up in the middle of the night by a random text message. But in the case of this example, we'll just send it now. We'll confirm the number of subscribers that we're sending it to, see the number of credits that it's going to cost and how much we have available, and hit confirm. And it's as simple as that. Now you'll also, if you go back to your campaigns here, you'll have an option to send a survey, do a two-way chat, and this is live, or we can create a series of messages which operate in the same way. Now that's it really as far as the campaigns go, but a couple final pointers before I let you go. If you ever want to manage your lists and see your subscribers, you can choose this link here on the main menu, and you can see how many subscribers you have on your different lists, the phone numbers, and the date that they've been subscribed to, or the date that they subscribed. If you want to keep track of all your keywords that you have created, you can click here. And a last thing, if you're sending a link in a text, it's probably a good idea to use this tool here. It's a short URL. An example of maybe why you might want to do this is if you're wanting to send out directions from maybe a Google Maps link. If we go here and look, here's John's Deli in Brooklyn, New York, we are going to copy this long URL and we'll make it into a short URL using this cool tool and paste it here. Now we're just going to call this directions. And our custom short URL key, we're just going to call it John's, just to be short. Remember, short and concise. I taught you that in the first video. And we'll click save. Now, when people text for directions, instead of getting this really long URL here, they're just going to get this short one here. It saves characters in your message, and it just looks a whole lot cleaner.